Sir, model.
1967. 1967 model. Originally Western Germany ready అయింది, delivered in United Kingdom and got to India in 1967 only. Until date, the owner was maintaining it single-handedly. The only person who has ever driven it. From there, it came to me, and I'm the only person who's driving it.
When did you take it?
Last year, August 11th, on my birthday.
Very nice. And you like to restore such vehicle?
Not restore. This is a all original vehicle, and I just have to maintain it in the same condition without spoiling the originality. Even the number plate, you can see that embossed number is there. That is the UK number.
Yes.
So after he came, he actually got it to Bangalore, but there was only Mysore state that time.
Yes.
So he just painted it on it. So starting from the number plate,
Yes.
it's everything original.
Anything that it's a proper 4-door. 4-door?
No, 2-door.
2-door, but 4-seater.
Yeah. And there is a very easy mechanism to get into the rear also. I'll show you that.
Engine.
Engine, it's a 1300cc and it doesn't have a radiator. It's an oil-cooled engine.
Oil cooled.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And the engine is front to back.
Rear engine.
Rear engine.
Yeah.
Very nice. What do you like about this car?
The shape and the uniqueness of the car, because it's one of its kind in India, and I got the responsibility to take care of this. If I would have purchased it, it's a different thing. I got it as an honor. Like, they felt that I'll never sell it in my life.
Oh, very nice.
So it's kind of
I got it. Very nice.
It's kind of gifted or adopted to me.
Very nice. Estimated price is?
Estimated price, don't know here.
No.
I never wanted to validate it.
Restoration price.
Restoration not required. Everything is in original condition.
Very nice.
Yeah. Only the paint, they got it once touched up around 8 or 9 years back, and there is not even a single accident on this car till date. So each and everything, whatever you see, the beadings, the headlight, everything is original right from company. Even the yeah, you can see inside.
Yes.
See all the speedometers, this paint, all the levers and everything are from the factory. Even see, look at this leather. It is colored in different way, but because of the aging, it has happened that way.
Yes.
And the easiest way to get into the rear seat is you just have to pull this lever, push this,
Slide it in. Very nice.
get in, and it both the sides you can do it.
Very nice.
And even the seats have that spring suspension, so it's kind of a dual suspension. The car jumps in it.
So fuel suspension, huh?
Yes, seats also has that suspension.
The gearbox is a
4-speed gearbox, and that time also they have given that you have to press and put it on to the second gear side. That is when it goes into reverse.
Okay. So basically 3 and then 1 reverse or 4?
Standard H pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 reverse.
1 reverse. Okay. Very nice.
So only one lock for all the doors and everything.
1 lock for all the doors.
Yeah. Even this key is from 1967.
Okay.
See.
Wow.
Rear engine and very small engine.
Very small, yeah. Of course, yeah. Very nice. Small yet powerful. Yes, certainly. Yeah.
And
I like the tail lamps.
yeah.
Very authentic.
Yes.
The bumper also is the same.
Yeah.
And the silencer. So this comes with a twin silencer.
Yeah, it's a dual silencer.
That time only they had twin silencer.
Yes.
Very nice.
This is one of its kind.
Correct. Yeah. A little bit about yourself.
Myself, I'm a property consultant. The name is Land Doctor. So I'm Karthik, but I'm mostly known as Land Doctor Karthik.
And you're fond of restoring or owning such cars.
I'm always fond of cars, and luckily it's there in my name also. And this car literally came to me.
Automotive enthusiast.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So this T-shirt was the reason for them to ask me. They asked me, what is this T-shirt? I said, we are the national champions.
Super.
Then the story started, everything happened.
National champion for?
We are the Indian national champions. Race Concepts is the Indian national champion racing team, India's largest racing team. And we have won 2 national championships in a row, defeating Volkswagen factory team. And this is the 3rd time we are competing again. Season is starting soon.
Super, very nice. Nice talking to you, and pleasure reviewing this car.
Thank you very much for doing this video.
Thank you.